Yes, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds. I'm a property investor. I've been investing successfully in property now for over 10 years. And in this video, I'm going to give you the 5 things that you need to do to become successful in property. So if you're starting out right now, like I was when I was a teenager starting out in property, I wish I'd known these 5 things when I started out. So you might wonder why I'm walking around a hotel room and why I'm so ridiculously excited. So I am going to give you the 5 things you need to become successful in property. But why I'm in a hotel room is because right now I'm waiting for my wife to get ready. It's our 5th year anniversary. We're in Paris. She's taking a little bit of time, so I thought I'd do this video while I wait for her. Hey, Amanda.
Hey.
She's looking fantastic. Come on, let me see your face. Isn't she looking fantastic? I think you look about almost ready to go. So I'm going to make this video real quick. We're hungry. Also, I'm really excited as well because I just found out I'm an uncle. My sister Tiffany gave birth to another boy last night. So massive congratulations. I'm just excited. I'm happy. I'm in Paris. You might be able to see right here. Here we go. There is the Eiffel Tower. Fantastic. So, beautiful day, beautiful weather. Listen, the first thing is you need to get goals. In fact, every one of these things, 5 things, every one of them starts with a G. Okay, it starts with a G. So the first thing is you got to get goals. And why you need goals is because what I've realized is property investing is actually a vehicle to just achieve what you want to achieve. And if you're not sure on your goals, you just think, I just want to be successful in property, but you haven't got a strong reason why, it's not going to happen. People talk about willpower. You need to get willpower. You need to psych yourself up. You don't need willpower. What you need is you need why power. You need a strong burning reason. So if you're watching this video, you want to be successful in property, I want to know why. Why do you want to be successful in property? The more specific you get, the more likely it's going to happen as well. So if you just say, because I want to become financially free, it's like, no. Why? Why do you want to be financially free? Because I want to quit work. Why? Because I'm tired of being someone's bitch. Because I just want to wake up when I finish sleeping. Right. Now that's the real specific goal now. You need to just unravel this like unraveling an onion. So first thing is why. Get really clear. Second thing, you need to get around good people. Get around good people. I told you everyone started with a G. If you're around losers and bums, the kind of toxic people that want to hold you down because it makes them feel better, you got to go and find new people. You got to get around good people. You got to get out there. You got to start finding people that want you to win. See, if you hang around losers all the time, people that have got the broke mindset, toxic people, you got to cut them. Don't try and work on them. Don't try and change them. Just cut them from your life. You need good people. Good people like this one. See, we've been married now. How long, Amanda?
5 years.
5 years. Am I a good person?
You're a great person.
She's a great person to be around. I would not be successful in business anywhere near like I am if I didn't have someone like Amanda in my life. Good people, good business partner, good business coaches, good mentors, good people. Next, you got to grow. You want your bank to grow, you got to grow yourself. Really important. Write these down, by the way, folks. Write these down. So first thing is you've got to get goals. Second thing is you've got to get good people around. Third thing is you've got to grow. Grow your knowledge every single day. See, everyone wants their bank to grow. I want to get rich. I want to get more. I want to get more properties. I want to have more money. But they don't want to grow themselves. But your money can only be in an area that's big enough to, like, let me explain something. You want to have more water in your bucket, you need a bigger bucket. You want to have more money in your life, you got to become a bigger person. So every day you got to grow. Watch YouTube videos, CDs, podcasts, books, attend seminars, and just every day, if you're learning something new, every day. What are you reading at the moment, Amanda? What are you reading? What are you reading? Should we find out? Okay, here we go. Reading Michelle Obama. See, she didn't. Why do you want to admit to that? Are you embarrassed about reading this? You embarrassed? Is it a good book?
It is good.
Have you started reading it yet?
Inspiring.
It's inspiring. Why is Amanda reading this? I don't know why are you reading this, Amanda?
Because I think she's a strong, powerful woman,
Yeah.
and I want to learn from her experience.
Great, you want to grow.
Yeah.
You want to grow. Find people that are more successful than you are. Find people that are more successful than you are, and then learn from them. Every day, learn something new. Write it down, and then over the next 6 months, then look back at everything you've learned. You'll be like, holy moly, I can't believe I wrote something down 6 months ago. Like now, that's so obvious to me, but at the time, it was aha revelation. You want your bank to grow, you've got to grow. Next, you've got to go. You've got to get yourself out there. This is really important. I say 90% of success, this is number 4, 90% of success is just showing up. People say, you got so lucky. I didn't get lucky, I just showed up. I was in the right place at the right time because I went and put myself there. So you want to be successful in property, You can't just expect properties to come to you. You can't just expect me to come into your living room and give you £1,000 check. You can't just expect good deals to land on your lap. You've got to go actively out there and look for them. Number 4 is go. Go, 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 go. Go. Go sign up for the webinar. Go sign up for the viewing. Go book a viewing. Don't think, I can't book a viewing because I haven't got enough money to buy a house, so I'll wait till I have the money and then I'll go. Never hold off. You got to go, go, go. Most people, ready, fire. Sorry. Ready, aim. That's me. I'm like ready, fire. That's how you got to be. Ready, aim. And then you retire in your 60s, and then when you fire, you can't be that person. When I was 17, I got started. I was just like, I didn't even say ready, aim. I didn't even say ready. I was just like, fire. Go, viewing houses. Put in offers on stuff. Richard Branson says, if an opportunity comes along, say yes, then figure the details out later. Don't worry about, this is what I say now, don't worry about the XYZ until you've gone and walked the ABC. You just got to go put yourself out there. Go pick up the phone. Put offers forward. Speak to investors. Speak to deal sources. And then lastly, number 5, by the way, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, drop a like. You need to have a thumb blue up on this. The weather is so hot here. The weather is so good. I just love Paris. We've been to, we're kind of going all over Europe. I think yesterday we were just bordering on Germany. Where else were we? Where were we yesterday, Amanda? Or the day before yesterday? Belgium. Brussels. We were in Brussels. Then where were we before Brussels?
Bruges.
Oh, Bruges. Oh, so good. So good. And I'm getting sidetracked right now. You just want to know what this 5th thing is right now. You want to know the 5th thing. You see, the 5th thing, really important, is you got to focus on money-making activities. I said that they were all gonna end with a G, start with a G. Okay, generate income. Focus on money-making activities only. So many people are like, I'm gonna get my little website and I'm gonna get my business cards. I'm gonna register my company, I'll design my logo, and then they have meetings with their family members to come up with what their company name is gonna be. Forget all that. You gotta focus on money-making activities. 2 things you should be thinking. Number 1, am I growing? Number 2 is, am I generating income? Are you earning? Are you learning? If you're not earning or learning, forget it. And designing a business card for 4 hours, you're not earning anything and you're not learning anything, so scrap it. You've got to be earning or learning. Focus on money-making activities. So those are the 5 things. Are you ready, sweetie pie?
Yeah, I just need to do my hair.
You see, your hair looks fantastic. Doesn't the hair look fantastic? So, Mandy, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
I never thought that I'd be filming myself kissing my wife right next to a toilet on a YouTube video in front of thousands of people to potentially see. But I'm happy right now. I'm so happy. And you know what? Thank God for my property business, because if it wasn't for my property business, I wouldn't be able to afford to have an income that means I can go out traveling and live the life I live. So I really appreciate what property's done for me. I really appreciate those people that have helped me get started in property. That's why I run this YouTube channel. People say, oh, you just run the YouTube channel because you're trying to sell stuff. Not really. I mean, I don't get paid for running this YouTube channel. I hardly run ads on this channel. You just sell events. I'm not even running events. I haven't ran an event for months because of lockdown and Corona. But still, every single day I'm putting out a YouTube video just because I vowed if I became successful, I'd always share what I learned with others and help others that way. So really exciting times. Charity's just been registered as well, Samuel Leeds Foundation. So, I'm excited about that. Doing loads and loads of crazy stuff out in Africa, digging wells, boreholes. We're working on a school project at the moment. We're going to be building a school out in Uganda. And honestly, it's all thanks to property. So yes, I've been successful in property, but I'm going to keep teaching you guys how to do the exact same thing too. So if you like my channel, please do subscribe, smash the like button, drop a comment below, and I'll be seeing you in my next video tomorrow. Peace out. Thanks so much. Final words of wisdom, Amanda?
Don't stop learning.
Don't stop learning, growing. That's it. All comes down to the 5 Gs. See you later, guys. Thank you so much.